Hi everyone. I was just walking along this lovely lane in the middle of nowhere, and I was just thinking to myself, the Bodmin Moor Beast is not here at the moment, so I'm real safe, which is fine. Apparently they don't attack humans anyway, so I'm not worried. And the experts have said I should make myself look big if I come across it. I think I'll just probably freeze in real life and not really do very much, to be fair. But I've come up here today, and the first video I took of the first lamb was well over a week ago. And the problem is, I'm wondering if there are certain sheep that have lambs really early, because lambing season has not really started. There's only a handful of lambs up here at the moment. But look at that. If that's not the Beast of Bodmin territory, I don't know what is. It's absolutely crazy, and the woodland in the background. And it's got all of this to roam in. Loads of wildlife corridors, little bits of woodland everywhere. But yeah, so I'm wondering if the Beast of Bodmin, that is a black sheep, by the way, not the Beast of Bodmin. I think actually that's Barbara. Oh yeah, it is. That is Barbara. So anyway, going back to the Beast of Bodmin and Barbara, I just wonder if some of the sheep have their lambs early, or if some of the farmers have lambs early to trick the beast. Don't know. Truly is beautiful up here. Really is. It's one of the most beautiful parts of the moor, to be fair. I can't help it. I truly do hope to get a video of the Beast of Bodmin. I just hope I do. I've never seen it, despite spending most of my life walking on these moors. I've never seen the Beast of Bodmin. And I've always wanted to see it. I've spoken till I have seen it, but I have not seen it. And I'd love to see it. Probably wouldn't love it so much at the time. I'd probably be scared to death. But I'd still love to see it with my own eyes. Then I can be sure myself that yes, it does exist. And if I'm lucky enough, I'll get it on video for you guys. And I've already decided that I'm not going to tell the police if I see it. I'm not going to tell anybody. I'm just going to post it on YouTube. It's going to be exclusive to YouTube. I'm not going to make a big song and dance about it and scare all the locals. I'm just going to put it straight on YouTube for you guys, because we've had loads of videos and pictures of the Beast of Bodmin and nobody cares. Everybody thinks it's a hoax. Everybody pulls holes in it. So there's no point going to the police or going to the media as such. So I may as well just post it on YouTube and say, there you go, enjoy. But anyway, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.